Hello everybody. I can't see very well. I'm right out here and part of me's in the shade and part of me's in the sun. Okay, I'm filming. Alright, today I'm gonna start working on my roses. I got all the turquoise painted all the way around. It's nice and dry. It's nice and sturdy, so it's ready to paint. So I'm gonna attempt to paint some one-stroke roses using the chalk paint from my recipe on my video, which I will link here. So the first thing I have to do is I mixed up a very dark color, sort of a burgundy color, and I used my chalk paint recipe, but I had to cut it down because I don't need much of it. I just need a little bit of it to do. So that is the first thing we're going to do, because this is going to be the base coat. Okay, bear with me, because I'm going to have to hold this thing down. And it is windy of all days for me to pick. Alright, I'm going to put my first rose right in here, and all we're going to do is paint a big of an outline about the size we want our rose. You can make them larger, make great big old roses, real small roses. It's up to you, whatever you want. We don't want a circle. We want something that's kind of broken on the lines, not real. So I want another one. Put another one here. You can see how smooth this stuff goes on, this chalk paint. It's really a great surface. Okay? It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to put another one right in here. Like I say, doesn't have to be perfect. Just smooth it on there. And I'm going to put another one right about here. Just kind of a broken line, filling it in. It's going to dry quickly, but you don't have to wait for it to dry. That'll be fine, just fine. Okay, next step. I've got water here to clean my brushes. I'm just going to stick it in there. The next step is we've got a dark color, dark pink, and a light pink. Both of those I mixed up with my chalk paint. Well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a pie tin. We're going to dip in our paint right here, get some out. I'm trying to do this where you can see it, and then dip in a light color. Alright? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the back of our brush, the flat side of our brush. We're going to run through here. We're going to take the other side and run through there. We're going to smooth it. If you can see it, let's see how it's doing. I'm going to go right up here. A little more. Just work it back and forth. A little more. Okay, now I'm going to come in and do some more, but a little bit lower from that one. paint sure is drying fast out here. Need to get me some more paint out. Okay, let me get some more paint. Okay, one side of the brush in the dark paint, one side in the light paint, and it's going to blend ever so slightly together. Dark, the light, blend back and forth. Bit more dark right down there. You have quite enough dark. Okay. Okay. Kind of hard to hold this thing down and paint at the same time. Really. It really is. And it's awful hard to see also. It's real tough to see. I don't want to I don't want to stop though, start again. I've come this far. It's sort of beginning to look like a, I want to put leaves on it also, so put another one right back here. Another petal right in there. Okay, there's your rose. Let's do this other one, see. You just sort of wiggle your brush a little bit. And it's going to make those things that look like the petal ends. You know how petal ends of roses are always kind of curvy and swirly? Well, that's what you're going for. Okay. Aha. Here's another. Now these are called one stroke roses. So I'm going to do some more and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So okay y'all, we're ready for some leaves. Now we're going to take the brush I'm using is an angle brush. I did the roses with it. I'm going to do the leaves with it. This side is going to hold the dark paint. This side is going to hold the light paint. I'll show you how I'm doing that. I'm going to dip this side of my brush in some dark paint, in the dark green, and this side in some light green, and I'm going to work it together. Alright, now come right up here. If you can see, I don't know if you can see this or not. I'm going to start right in here. Oh my gosh, I just realized I had my mouth wide open. I think I do that a lot when I paint. I don't know why, but I do. It's kind of like putting on mascara. You know, it helps to hold your mouth open. We got a leaf. Can you see it? We have a leaf. We shouldn't have picked that up. Now, it took me forever to figure out where to put it in the first place. Okay, we're going to put another one into the dark on one side, into the light on the other, and we're going to work it. Just kind of blend just a tiny bit, not a whole lot. I just know y'all not going to be able to see this. It's upsetting. I'm just going to go right in here. Get some light. Another leaf. Do one more. Light. Okay, I'm going to do some leaves on it, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, so I've got a few leaves on there. I'm not done with those yet. Got to put some more, and I want to put some vines. Of course, you know the plan is for me to go all the way around the umbrella, very similar to this, and connect each section with vines. If I had had a flatter surface, it would have been easier, but my point is to show you that it can be done. And as you can see, turquoise on here, it's rained on it for days and days, several different times for days, and it's still holding up just fine. Those are basic one-stroke roses and leaves. And you can do that by using my chalk paint recipe. And I think when I'm done, it'll be a nice addition to my garden, and I'll enjoy the roses. I may even paint my simple cottage life on it. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you can find a project that you want to put it on. You can put paint on anything with the chalk paint. Anything but plastic or glass. Okay, so hope y'all have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.